Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can get subtitles on Crunchyroll. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Crunchyroll app. So once you tap open your Crunchyroll app, it will take some time to boot itself up and lead you to its homepage. Now all you got to do is simply tap on the accounts option. Once you do so, there you can find the show closed captions option in the preference setting. So now simply scroll through it and tap on the show closed captions option. So this way you can then get the closed captions or the subtitles on your Crunchyroll app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.